Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into division. 10 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Discord, which means disagreement between people. Discord. For example, stress resulting from financial difficulties or family discord. Number 2. Disunity, which means disagreement and conflict within a group. Disunity. For example, there was disunity within the administration. Number 3. Rupture, which means a breach of a harmonious relationship. Rupture. For example, the rupture with his father would never be healed. Number 4. Chasm, which means a profound difference between people, viewpoints, feelings, etc. Chasm. For example, the chasm between rich and poor. Number 5. Split, which means a schism. Split. For example, the accusations caused a split in the party. Number 6. Estrangement, which means the fact of no longer being on friendly terms or part of a social group. Estrangement. For example, the growing estrangement of the police from their communities. Number 7. Detachment, which means a group of troops, aircraft, or ships sent away on a separate mission. Detachment. For example, a detachment of Marines. Number 8. Alienation, which means the state or experience of being alienated. Alienation. For example, a sense of alienation from our environment. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.